there is a sense of extreme urgency. Biro mo, sabi niya, mauubos na kami. And then you gave an order to hold on, not to move forward. Mauubos na kami. And then his radio went silent. I just want to be clarified, sir.
Yung pong CCCH, kung pwede pong ulitin yung oras, that's about 11 o'clock, Your Honor. Yung hold on to your position, yung sinabi nyo na papasok yung CCCH, that was about 11 o'clock. However, at about 1:04, even before na nag-radio si Razor, we were requesting for artillery support. Dahil napag-alam po namin na hindi tumitigil yung pag-aatake nila at tuloy-tuloy. If I may read itong text messages namin from General Napeña, Director SAP at 1:04 p.m. Same day, January 25, for OIC PNP from DSAP. Sir, good PM. Hindi tumigil MILF pag-atake sa atin, sir. Ito location, mga tao natin na paligirian, 360 degrees na kalaban. Grid coordinate of sub-troops in Army under attack. 68100, 65097, and 68006, 65718. Baka maubos taon natin sa mga lugar na ito, sir. Request and direct fire support sa paligid ng locations na ito. So I was requesting for the artillery support even before na nag-radio si Razor, Your Honor.
Okay, but even after that, you still gave the order not to move forward and to hold on to your positions.
Yes, Your Honor. Naka-hold on to their position dahil nga doon sa effort ng CCCH and because of the order ni General Purisima, Your Honor.
Now it's two, dalawa yung basis. Hindi lang yung order ni General Purisima. Now it's also the request of the CCCH. Am I correct?
Yun, sir. Ang nagsabi sa akin po, yung text message ni Purisima, na papasok na po yung CCCH. That's why nga po, huwag mag-move forward. At that time, wala po yung direct coordination ng CCCH sa akin, Your Honor.